How to use Deepseek for AC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Deepseek for AC. To use Deepseek for AC, you could leverage its capabilities as a collaborative assistant throughout the entire process or entire writing process from the brainstorm as well. So basically what you need is install DeepSeek onto your device. You could also use the browser version of it. And next, you want to go ahead and make sure to create an account. After you're done creating your account completely, then you will be provided with this particular fees. There you could go ahead and tap on message DeepSeek and type in the message. So you want to go ahead and type in the prompt. Make sure to be careful with it regarding the prompt. So type in and give the hint. Now it's gonna instruct you on what sort of topic, title, and all that stuff. And read this carefully, and accordingly you want to go ahead and provide in the information. And this way you'll be able to use DeepSeek for AC. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.